Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi students, welcome to today's math session. Today we will start the fraction. Do you know what a fraction is? A fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. Look at the square. Here the colored parts can be represented by a fraction. Like this, here 3 by 4 of the square is red and 1/4 of the square is white. In a fraction, the line that separates the numbers is called fraction bar or division bar. The number above the fraction bar is called the numerator. It indicates the number of equal parts. Consider the number below. The fraction bar is called denominator. It indicates the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. Okay. Now let us see how 4 equal parts of a whole number are represented on a number line. Look here. 0 to 1/4 is one part of the whole. 1 by 4 to 2 by 4 is the second part of the whole. Similarly, 2 by 4 to 3 by 4 is the third part. And lastly, 3 by 4 to 4 by 4 is the last part of the whole. Now, let us see how to write fraction in numerals and in words. Look here. The fraction for the colored part in this figure is written in numeral as 1, then division bar, then 6 below it, and as 1/6 in words. Look the second image. Here is written in numeral as 1, then division bar, then 4 below it, and as 1/4 in words, 1/4. Look third one. For this figure, it is written as 1, then division bar, then 3 in words, 1/3. 1/3. Next image. Here it is written as 1 divided by 2. It is written as half in words. In last image, here the fraction is written as 3 by 4 and in words 3/4. Okay. Did you understand fractions? Okay, yes. Fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. Is it clear? Take your notebook, write chapter heading with the date, write this fraction and its name. Okay. Last year we have learned two types of fractions, which are like fraction and unlike fraction. When two or more fractions are given depending on the value of their denominators, they can be termed as like or unlike fractions. Like fraction means fraction with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Second, unlike fraction. Fraction with different denominators are called unlike fraction. For example, 5 by 8, 5 by 3 and 2 by 7. Write heading in your notebook, like and unlike fractions. Pause the video and write the sentence in your notebook. Fraction with same denominators are called like fractions. Underline the like fraction. For example, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Second, Fraction with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Underline unlike fractions. For example, 5 by 8, 5 by 3 and 2 by 7. All of you finish? Okay. Now let us introduce three types of fractions. Write the next heading, type of fractions. First one, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Let us see what each one is. Okay. First one, proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. For example, 2 by 8, 3 by 7 and 2 by 10. Look the fractions here. Numerator is less than the denominator. First one, numerator 2, denominator is 8. Second one, numerator 3, denominator is 7. Third one, numerator 2, denominator is 10. Okay. Numerator is less than the denominator. This type of fraction called proper fraction. Pause the video and write proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 2 by 8, 3 by 7 and 2 by 10. Okay. Next heading, write down heading, improper fraction. Improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. Once more, a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 11 by 5, 9 by 4, 8 by 3, 4 by 4 and 8 by 8. Look the fractions. Here, numerator is less than or equal to the denominator. First one, numerator is 11, denominator is 5. Second one, numerator is 9, denominator is 4. Third one, numerator is 8, denominator is 3. First three example, numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. Look last two fractions. Here, numerator and denominators are equal. So students, whether numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called improper fractions. Write in your notebook, a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 11 by 5, 9 by 4, 8 by 3, 4 by 4 and 8 by 8. Okay. All of you finish? Write next heading, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Write heading, mixed fraction. This fraction entirely different from first two fractions. Mixed fraction means a fraction with whole number and proper fraction. Very easy. A fraction with a whole number and proper fraction. For example, 2 and half. 2, 1 by 2. 2 and half. 3 and 3/4. 3 and 3/4. 5 and 1/4. A fraction has whole number and proper fraction. We call mixed fraction. Pause the video and write the statement. A fraction with a whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. For example, 2 and a half, 3 3/4, 5 1/4. Finish? Okay, listen here. We can convert all improper fractions to mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means whole number with proper fraction. So, we can convert all improper fractions to mixed fraction. How to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction? Write first question in your notebook. Convert 8 by 3 to mixed fraction. Convert 8 by 3 to mixed fraction. 8 by 3, it is improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. Divide 8 by 3 in your working column. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 2. So children, we write first quotient 2. It is a whole number. Then write the remainder. Remainder is 2. Then draw division bar. Then write the divisor. Okay. Second question. Convert 11 by 5 to mixed fraction. Look here. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 1. Right? First write quotient. Then write remainder. Then divisor. Okay. One more question. Question number 3. Convert 9 by 4 to mixed fraction. First, quotient is first. Write quotient. Quotient is 2. Remainder 1. Then draw division bar. Then divisor. Okay. In mixed fraction, quotient forms the whole number. Remainder form the numerator and divisor form the denominator. Okay. In mixed fraction, quotient formed as a whole number, remainder form the numerator, divisor form the denominator. Is it clear? All of you clear about 3 fractions? Yes. Okay. Next, how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction? Write heading. Convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Let us look one example. Write down 7 1 by 5. Convert to improper fraction. Question number 1. How to convert these mixed fraction to improper fraction? Very easy. First, multiply the denominator with the whole number. Multiply with the denominator with the whole number. Then add the numerator. Then write the same denominator. In this example, multiply the denominator with the whole number. Whole number is 7. Denominator is 5. So, 5 into 7. Then add the numerator. Okay. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 35 plus 1, 36. So, write 36 by 5. Write question number 2. Convert to improper fraction. Denominator into whole number plus numerator. Denominator into whole number plus numerator. So 3 into 4 plus 2. Okay, 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 3. 3 is denominator. Okay. One more question. Question number 3. 2 by 3. Convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. 2 by 3. The formula is denominator into whole number plus numerator. Okay. 3 into 2, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 by 3. Is it clear? All of you understand? Yes. Okay. There is one more type of fraction, that is equivalent fraction. Write next heading, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Look at this circle. All are the same size, but each circle has been divided into different number of parts. The fraction for the shaded region of each circle as half of the circle is yellow, 2 by 4. 2 by 4 of the circle is green, 4 by 8 of the circle is blue. Here 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 all represent half part of the whole circle. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. Let us see how we can obtain the equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Multiply the numerator and the denominator of a given fractions by the same number. We obtain its equivalent fractions. Now let us solve an example to understand it in a better way. Write your question. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Let us multiply the numerator and the denominator of the fraction with the same number. Equivalent fractions 6 by 8. Next, let us multiply with the number 5. We get 15 by 20. Multiplying with 8, we get 24 by 32, which are obtained by multiplying the numerator and denominator of 3 by 4 of 2, 5, 8 and 7 respectively. 3 by 4, 6 by 8, 15 by 20, 24 by 32, 21 by 28. Okay, today's session we discussed different type of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions and equivalent fractions, and also learned how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay, let us end today's session here.